So, the logistics are there.
In case you've just tuned in, I'm speaking with Alex Life, CEO of Full Life Medical Group. Alex, you stated that longevity in senior citizens is entirely possible. How is this attainable?
Carrie, we now have nanobite technology that is pre-programmed to extend one's health, longevity, and age extension. We have our own method, called the GO procedure. Because it isn't FDA approved, the patient has to sign certain waivers and pay for the cost of the medical expenses occur. The procedure takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and European medical studies by multiple nations have shown that the procedure works and has surpassed any benchmarked expectations. In fact, there's an elderly lady in Denmark celebrating her 189th birthday this week, and she is planning to skydive over the Rye River next month.
How is it that the FDA has not approved this? Is it because of safety concerns, or do you believe there is another reason?
I don't know why, but I do know that Medicaid, Medicare, and private insurance will not cover the procedure. Thus, we have to charge the patient for the full amount. I can tell you that the procedure itself is harmless, quick, and quite painless. It has cleared numerous test trials on elderly patients in the European Union. With stunning results, we will be at the Pharmaceutical Expo next week in Detroit Lakes to answer any questions and have a couple of clients with us from Switzerland to show others how this could be changing the way we view mortality. Perhaps it's not the fountain of youth, but it can reinvigorate one's lifespan.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pife, CEO of Full Life. If Full Life meets the expectations you say, I'm sure FDA approval won't be far away. This is Carrie Grinder with this special report. We now join Trevor and Elaine, back in the studios.
This is a civil alert via point of entry from the Detroit Lakes Police Department. At 8:53 a.m., a large explosion occurred at the Detroit Lakes Community and Cultural Center, where a pharmaceutical exposition was being held. 11 are believed dead, with 25 being injured. No suspects have been found yet. Police believe it was an improvised detonation bomb, but that has not been confirmed. Several special interest groups have claimed responsibility for this action. Anyone that has any information regarding this terroristic act are to contact the Detroit Lakes Police Department immediately. This is a civil alert via point of entry from the Detroit Lakes Police Department and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Investigators are looking for Alex Pife and 2 other individuals as persons of interest regarding the recent explosion at the Civic and Cultural Center. If you believe you have spotted the individuals, do not approach them. Contact the Detroit Lakes Police Department and/or the FBI. It is unclear if these individuals are armed or if they are perpetrators of the explosion. However, authorities wish to speak with them. Alex Pife is a Caucasian male, age 45, is 5 feet 9 inches tall, with brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen running towards the Holmes Theater. They remain at large. This is a civil emergency alert via point of entry from the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the Detroit Lakes Police Department and the Food and Drug Administration. Evidence recently uncovered shows Alex Pife has been a member of the Red Leaves of Freedom. The Red Leaves of Freedom are a terrorist organization from Canada and are considered enemies of the United States. If you or anyone you know have had a medical procedure performed on their person by Alex Pife or any associates of his, please report to your local hospital for treatment. They are considered extremely armed and very dangerous. If you recognize them, report the sighting to any law enforcement authorities. This is a terror alert administrative update via point of entry from the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Alex Pife and his associate were spotted leaving in a vehicle off of Highway 10 East. A police blockade was set up outside of Detroit Lakes, where the terrorists were eliminated. The extent of damage caused by their presence is still unknown at this time. The Food and Drug Administration is warning that anyone that received the GO procedure should immediately go to their nearest hospital for treatment. The FDA and CDC believes a possible virus, like the Ebola virus, could have been injected into unsuspecting senior citizens.